Okay, you guys, today we're making flaming hot mozzarella sticks. So we're using hot Cheetos to dip these mozzarella sticks in and fry them. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, first thing you want to do is you want to take your mozzarella stick and you want to dip it in flour. Then you want to take your mozzarella stick and you want to dip it in egg. Then you take your mozzarella stick and you dip it in your flaming hot crumble. Till it's fully coated. Then you want to drop your your mozzarella stick in the grease. So you want to repeat this step over and over again until you have a whole bunch in the grease. Okay, here are a few of my finished product. Mozzarella sticks, and I got one in the pan still. Okay, this is the final product. Some of them might explode, some of them might pop open, but that's expected. But this is our finished result or final result for our mozzarella flaming hot cheese sticks. So good.